Hi, everyone. In this demo, we'll walk you through Themis, Ask a Question feature, a powerful tool that lets you ask natural language questions and get visual answers instantly without the need to reach out to the data service desk team or requesting new visuals in the dashboard. Once you're inside a Themis dashboard, look for the Ask a Question button in the upper right corner. Clicking on it opens a sliding panel where you can type in questions. The feature understands business terms and metrics aligned with your company's data. When you launch the tool, it immediately suggests questions based on your dataset, recent searches from other users, and popular queries. You can also click What's in Topic to see what kind of data is available to explore. You can dive deeper into each data group to see the specific fields available for querying. For instance, if you're curious about purchase orders, you can check which related fields are accessible to the AI. There's even an option to regroup similar fields for easier navigation. As you begin typing, the autocomplete feature kicks in, suggesting related questions in real time, helpful when you're unsure exactly how to phrase your query. Now, let's try a simple metric query. What was the total volume of raw materials used in production last month? The AI recognizes time frames like last month, last quarter, or 2024 and dynamically adjusts the output, in this case, a KPI showing total usage. It also understands synonyms, so whether you say usage or consumption, it knows what you mean. Beyond KPIs, Themis can generate visual insights like this monthly trend of raw material usage. Click Insights to view an automated narrative summary, pointing out trends, highs and lows, and other important metrics. Need projections? Turn on the forecasting option to see estimated future data based on past trends. At the bottom, you'll also find detailed tables showing supporting data, like scheduled builds with expected raw material usage. You can also ask ranking-style questions like, show top 10 vendors by total purchase order amount. The result? A bar chart ranking vendors by PO value, plus a time series of month-on-month purchases. Each response includes a narrative summary, and hovering over the narrative highlights corresponding charts. Below, you'll find suggested variations of your original question for deeper exploration. Let's explore more questions. For example, I want to do a comparative and relational analysis on the company's procurement of materials against its consumption. The AI generates a scatterplot showing their relationship. In this example, we see an upward trend, meaning procurement is keeping pace with usage. Outliers, like a high procurement but low usage, may signal overstock issues. Another cool feature is that you can easily customize the visuals. Want to change this table to a vertical bar chart? Just select a chart and choose a new visual type. Need to focus on a specific material like acrylic adhesive? Click on it, hit focus, and zoom in on just that item. Use undo or redo anytime to navigate your changes. See something worth saving? Hover over the chart and click Add to Pinboard to save it. You can rename visuals for easy recall and use the magnifying glass tool to revisit their original query where the visual was extracted from. You can add multiple visuals to the pinboard, even from different answer reports. Need the underlying data? Export it as a CSV, not just for tables, but even for charts like geomaps. Lastly, we welcome any feedback on AI-generated reports. If something looks off or irrelevant, click the thumbs down icon and let us know what went wrong. This helps our data service desk improve Themis and train the AI for better results. Of course, we'd love to hear positive feedback too. It helps us understand what's working well. With Themis Ask a Question feature, everyone, not just data analysts, can explore data independently using familiar language. Smart features like autocomplete, insights, forecasting, and customizable visuals empower faster decisions, stronger data literacy, and reduced reliance on technical teams. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with Themis.